If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome collector videos.
Retro Toy Envy here, and today I'm going to be showing you an Undercover Leonardo action figure that CAS Collector Archive Services have went ahead and graded for me. This Ninja Turtle figure is different than most. The Undercover Turtle has a cloth coat. This is a cloth coat variant. 4 turtles were released with 4 cloth coats. This is Leonardo from that line. He comes with a lot more accessories than the other Undercover Turtle did. Comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 accessories. All 6 have been encased in here nice and securely with acrylic to display them really well. This is a very rare figure that I've seen a lot of over the last maybe 3-4 months. When I do see these, the prices are really high, so I figured I like to invest in my toys. So instead of having him loose in a little baggie, I really wanted to give him the display that he deserved, and CAS did that for me. So I've got the figure in the middle, and he is held down by little acrylic pegs, and then he has all his accessories surrounded him, and it looks amazing. I do like to keep the plastics on to prevent from scratching, or you know, when I do store them, if they kind of get a little bump or bruise, the plastic protects that nice acrylic. But I am super happy how this came out, and I'm glad to have this guy in my collection. And instead of just putting him away, I'm able now to put him out, and when people come to see all my toys, they can now see how beautiful he looks with all his weapons that he came with. So the Undercover Leonardo with the cloth coat. CAS, thank you so much for doing such a good job on this.